What do you do in your free time, Ella?
I love cooking.
Great. What sort of food do you cook?
International food, like Indian, Chinese, Japanese, Italian.
That's interesting. How do you learn?
I get books from the library, and I watch programs on television. And last year, I did a Japanese cooking course at the college. And of course, I study food technology at school.
Great. Tell me more about your Japanese cooking course.
Well, the classes were every Monday from 7 o'clock until 9:30. It lasted 8 weeks. At the end, we had a big party. We cooked lots of Japanese food and invited all our family and friends.
It sounds great. I'm doing a course at the college too at the moment.
Are you? What?
Music technology. I'm learning how to record music and set up microphones at concerts.
That sounds interesting. Do you play an instrument?
Well, I played the violin when I was young. I was quite good, but I don't like classical music. I like rock music. You don't usually hear violins in rock music. I tried to learn the guitar, but I was terrible at it. I tried the drums too. I was quite good at that, but my parents didn't want me to play them. They said they're too noisy. So I decided to learn music technology. Then I can enjoy rock music without playing it.
Good idea. Do you go to many concerts?
Oh yes, I love them. I went to 6 last year, and this year I already have tickets for 4 concerts. I'm going to 2 this month. I'd like to see more, but they are expensive.
Yes, they are. Well, I have to go now. Have a great time at your concerts.
Thanks. Bye.